Hey guys, welcome back to the Decent Garage. Tim's wife Sarah here. He's out of town this week, so while he's gone, I'm gonna be working on painting the workbench that he just built. It'll be kind of a nice surprise for him when he gets home. So I've got our toddler and baby down for a nap right now, so I'm gonna take advantage of the few free minutes that I have, and I'm gonna do some of the prep work so we can let that dry, and then hopefully tonight after the kids go to bed, I'll be able to get started on primer. Got some spectators. So to start off, we just have a couple places where we've got a little bit of gaps in our backing here, so I'm just gonna fill some of that. Take out a few of those screws that are in the middle because we went ahead and just did liquid nails behind the panels there. So I'm gonna fill in some of those spots, get some things sanded down. Tim is getting home, and as you can see, I am not done. It was a little ambitious or naive or both of me to think that I could finish this project on my own while still taking care of our 5 kids, including my 1-month-old baby. So I didn't quite get things done before he gets home, but that's okay. Tim won't mind. And I'm actually really looking forward to having him here to help me with some of the final steps. I especially am glad that he'll be here to help me put the mat on the work surface. I want him to be able to give you some feedback on how he feels about the installation and just what he thinks of it as a product and whether he would recommend it for your garage. So I have a few edge pieces to finish up painting, and then I'm going to get him in here to help me put those on and put the mat down, and we'll finish everything up.
What's up guys, I am back in town, and I gotta say, my wife did a killer job so far. Got the wall painted, got all the shelves and all the bracing painted as well, put the corner pieces on all the shelves. So we're gonna tag team this and finish this up and hopefully have this ready to be working on it. So what we're gonna do now, for the surface of the workbench, I bought this stuff. It's a little dusty from the painting, but right here it's called Grippy Mat, and I got this on Amazon, but I also saw that Eastwood sells this, and I figured if Eastwood sells it, it can't be a bad product because they usually sell some pretty good stuff. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna put it on here. It'll have to be cut down to size, And then we've got trim to go along the back of the wall, and then we've got our corner pieces to go along the front. So we're gonna put all this on, get these benches fixed up, ready to go. Let's get the carpet type stuff put on here. Alright guys, there we have it. This turned out better than I was expecting. Thank you so much to my wife. She did a ton of work on this. She did tons of the painting, which I hate painting. And this turned out amazing. So I think I'm really gonna like this surface stuff. It's gonna get dirty, but I anticipate that happening. That's okay. But it's nice. It's soft, but it's also got a little bit of grip to it. For those wondering, this edging that I used here on the front is just sheetrock corner molding that you tape and mud into the corners of sheetrock. And we just painted one side blue and one side white and then just nailed it down, and that worked really well. And then we've got our quarter round in the back. We're gonna do a little bit of wood filler and put a little bit of touch-up paint on that as well. I'm super happy with this. Also, you saw I cut this access panel here because underneath of here is the brine tank for my water softener. So you can open this up, fill the brine tank if you need to, service the brine tank, and still use it as a bench top if you need to. So we have one more thing gonna be painted here on the wall. I'm sure you can guess what that is, but that'll be done here in the next week or two. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for all your support, and we will see you guys in the next video.